Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, while climbing a rope, Jeff has covered 3 upon 7 meter of the total height, whereas Sandra has covered only 3 upon 14 meter. So we have to find out how much Sandra has covered lesser height than Jeff. So Jeff distance covered by Jeff equals 3 upon 7 meter, and distance covered by Sandra is equals 3 upon 14 meter. So in the question they are asking us that we have to find the distance by which Sandra is lacking Jeff. Therefore difference of distance will be equals distance covered by Jeff, which is 3 upon 7 meter, minus of the distance covered by Sandra, which is 3 upon 14 meter. So in the denominator we are going to have the LCM of 7 and 14. So the LCM of 7 and 14 is 14 itself. So 14 when divided by 7 will produce 2, and 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. So we put 6 over here, and 14 when divided by 14 will produce 1, and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 itself. So 6 minus 3 upon 14. So this will give us 3 upon 14 meter, and this is the distance by which Sandra is lacking Jeff, or Sandra is behind Jeff. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.